everyone, this is Debbie of Deb's channel, and for today's video, I'm going to share you on how to do a live stream using StreamYard. So StreamYard, guys, is the easiest way to create a professional live stream. StreamYard is a live streaming studio in your browser which you can invite guests, share your screen, and a lot more. You can also stream directly to your Facebook, YouTube channel, LinkedIn, and other social media accounts. So come on guys, let's start our tutorial now. We are going to use our Gmail account to create a StreamYard account. StreamYard community will then send a 6-digit code in our email, and we are going to use that for us to be able to continue our live stream process. After doing so guys, there will be a page that will let you choose on which platform will you use in streaming your live video. You can stream directly to your Facebook, to your YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Periscope, and a lot more. So in my case guys, I'm just going to use the YouTube channel, and after that StreamYard will prompt you to your Google accounts, which will be connected to your YouTube, and then in this case I'm just going to choose a Deb's channel. And after that guys, our YouTube channel is now connected to StreamYard, so we can now create a broadcast. We can now create our first broadcast. So in this case, we will just input our title so that our viewers will know what our live stream is all about. We can also then put our description into in order for them to know the other things that you are going to do in your live streams. After making a title and a description, we are now going to schedule for a later broadcast, and then we are going to upload a thumbnail for our live stream. So this after we are then encouraged to select our scheduled start time, and after doing so, let's just click the create broadcast button. In this tutorial video guys, I'm going to show you on what does the StreamYard Broadcast Studio looks like. As what can you see in my past live streams, I have those comments, banners, and sharing screens, and a lot more. I also invite guests in my live streams. Let's just click the enter broadcast studio. At this instance, StreamYard will check your camera and mic. You are also encouraged to put your display name. You can mute and unmute your mic and start or stop your camera. And after doing so, you have to click the enter broadcast studio. And after that guys, we are now in our StreamYard live broadcast studio. In this case guys, I'm going to share you on how do I share my screen to my live viewers. You can see that in my past live streams, which has those thumbnails that I used in my YouTube, and this is how it looks like. So first, you are going to click the share screen button at the bottom part of your main video, and then you have to select which window or which screen will you flex to your viewers. So you can choose your entire screen, application window, your Chrome tab, and so on. So in my case, I am going to choose the application window, since I used another application for my thumbnail or for my screen. So after that, just click the share button, and then it will just load guys, and voila, this is our thumbnail or our screen. And then you can also add your video to your stream. Just click that add stream at the bottom part of your main video. And in this case guys, we are going to show on how do I flex those comments in the comment section. So in this, this is the right portion of our broadcast studio, and this is the example. So in this case, live viewer comments show up on StreamYard. This is an example. Click on a comment to show it on screenshot. Just like what I did, guys. I just click that comment and it will just show in your screen, and all of your viewers will see that. And then also we have these banners in our StreamYard, which let us summarize our talking points and a lot more, or display whatever we want to call for an action. So in this case, let me just show you this. So this is an example of a banner. Click on a banner to show it on screen. And also this one. And use banners to summarize and so on. So you can also change the color of your of these comments, banners. So this is what they called as the brand color. This brand color is under the brand tab in our live streaming studio. So in my case, I'll just use this color because I just love that color, guys. And then we can have those theme. We can change our theme, guys, or at the default. Again. Then we can also click for our background. So this is what the background looks like. That leaves you guys. Yeah, that's the default background. And after that, oh, I almost forgot. The banner, guys, has this sticker function, which you can just click the edit button in a certain banner, and then just click that scroll across bottom ticker, and after that save, and then you can show that at the same time with the other banner, and just like this, guys. So this is our tutorial, guys, about StreamYard, about going live using StreamYard. So StreamYard also, guys, can be used in your broadcast without reaching that 1,000 subscribers. Actually, I used StreamYard before I reached 1K, and now that I already reached 1K, I still use StreamYard for my live streaming on YouTube. This is the easiest live streaming studio, guys, that I found out, which made my live streaming like a professional. So this is for our tutorial. And also, before anything else, guys, you can just click the go live button here at the upper right in order for you to go live to your YouTube and so on. When you upgrade, guys, in StreamYard, there will be a lot of perks, such as you can stream directly to two platforms such as Facebook and YouTube, and you can also create your own brand. You can remove that powered by StreamYard icon at the upper part of our live stream, and we can also upload a background for our live streaming. So this is for our tutorial video, guys. And that's it for our tutorial video, guys, on how to do a live stream using StreamYard, to flex those comments, to have those banners, to share your screen, in order for you to have a more professional look on your live streaming on your different social media accounts, such as our YouTube channel. Again, this is Debbie of Deb's channel, and I hope you learned something for today, guys. If you want to know more about me, guys, just put that in the comments below, and I will answer that on the next video. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye.